The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra could be the best Android phone of 2025, and you probably won't have to wait until late in the year for it, with this handset likely to land in January or February. As the launch is now fast approaching, we've unsurprisingly heard plenty about the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra through apparent leaks and rumors, so we have a good idea of what to expect. This includes a bigger screen, a powerful new chipset, an upgraded ultra-wide camera, and possibly even a new name. Below, you'll find all the credible claims we've heard about this phone so far, and we'll be regularly updating this article, so check back soon to stay in the loop. Surprisingly, we haven't heard many release date rumors yet, but one source claims the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra will be announced on January 23rd. A day later, another source said the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra would instead land on January 22nd. Given time differences in where those sources are based, these two leaks don't conflict, but the more likely date for those in the US and the UK is January 22nd. That timing would make sense, as Samsung usually launches new Galaxy S models in either January or February, so we're expecting the same next year, meaning there's probably not long to wait. News about the potential price of the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is less promising though, as numerous sources have said the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset that we're expecting it to use will cost more than its predecessor. One source claimed the Snapdragon 8 Elite would cost around $40 more, with another saying the Snapdragon 8 Elite will be roughly 20% more expensive, and even Qualcomm itself, which makes the chipset, has said the Snapdragon 8 Elite will be pricey. In which case, there's every chance Samsung will pass that cost increase on to buyers, which means we might be looking at a starting price higher than the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra's $1,299.99/£1,249/2,199 Australian dollars. Can you trust these rumors? A January 22nd launch is certainly possible, especially as we've essentially heard that date from two different sources. We predict the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra will probably cost more than the S24 Ultra, given that its chipset is almost certainly more expensive, but we doubt it will be a drastic price increase. In one surprising claim, we've heard that the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra might instead launch as the Samsung Galaxy S25 Note. There's some logic to this, since the Ultra line in its current form is quite similar to Samsung's discontinued Galaxy Note line anyway, but it's something that so far only one source has mentioned. Can you trust these rumors? We're very skeptical of this claim, as while there could be some logic to a name change, it's only something we've heard from one source. Rumors suggest the main design change coming to Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra could simply be more rounded corners. You can see this change in leaked Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra renders below. We've seen Galaxy S25 Ultra renders from multiple sources, and they all show more rounded corners, and an otherwise similar design to last year. You can also see this design in claimed leaked images of a Galaxy S25 Ultra case, and a leaked photo seemingly showing dummy units of all three Samsung Galaxy S25 models. We've also now seen leaked images of cases for every Galaxy S25 model. We've even now seen a leaked hands-on video seemingly showing the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, complete with the same design. And the source of that video also shared photos seemingly showing the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, complete with small, uniform bezels, and a view of the bottom edge with its S Pen slot. Beyond that, we've heard from tipster at Jukonlasriv that the Galaxy S25 Ultra will have a 6.86-inch screen, but that disappointingly it will use the same M13 panel technology as the Galaxy S24 Ultra, meaning it might not be as efficient or have as long a lifespan as the M14 used by the iPhone 16 Pro and the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Serial Phones tipster at Universe Ice has likewise said that the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra will have a 6.86-inch screen. This would likely be marketed as 6.9 inches, and would be marginally larger than the 6.8-inch Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. They added that the display will be 73mm wide, making it a little bit wider than the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultras, but that thanks to smaller bezels and a slimmer frame, the overall handset width of the Galaxy S25 Ultra would be slightly slimmer at 77.6 mm. The same source has said the full dimensions of the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra will be 162.8 by 77.6 by 8.2 mm. Another source has pointed to similar Galaxy S25 Ultra dimensions of 162.82 by 77.65 by 8.25 mm. For reference, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is 162.3 by 79 by 8.6 mm, so that would make the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra a tiny bit taller, but narrower and thinner. We've also heard that the Galaxy S25 Ultra might be lighter at 219G, rather than the 232G of its predecessor. And we have an idea of the colors it might be available in, with one Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra colors leak pointing to black, blue, green, and titanium shades. That said, another Galaxy S25 Ultra colors leak instead hinted it will come in titanium black, titanium blue, titanium gray, and titanium silver shades, so there's some disagreement. Another S25 Ultra colors leak, from the same source as the one directly above, has added that there might also be titanium jade green, titanium pink gold, and titanium blue/black shades as Samsung store exclusives. Can you trust these rumors? We've now seen numerous leaked images and even a video of the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, so we're quite confident of the design. As for a screen size increase, that's believable too, as it would bring the phone in line with the iPhone 16 Pro Max.